Go copy 26 King Wavy merch. Link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. I will make sure that you did not click this video in vain. Alright, so today I'm gonna share with you guys the secrets on how you can get flawless 360 waves. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
If you want flawless 360 waves, I'm gonna tell you guys the secrets on what you need to do. Okay, so first things first, I wrote down like the best facts that I know on how to, get better, like the best 360 waves that you can get, or the best waves possible. And these are gonna be my list right here. So number one is you're gonna need different textured brushes. So that, what I mean by that is you're gonna need a hard brush, a medium brush, and a soft brush. Alright, so a hard brush is gonna be for like your wolfing stages and stuff. Like when you have a lot of hair, you wanna really pull your hair, and the hard brush is gonna come in really handy to get down to the scalp when you're putting in your brush session. Alright, so after you finish with your hard brush, usually when you're wolfing, you go down to a medium brush, then you go down to a soft brush. The medium brush, when you're wolfing, is like a lay down brush. Alright, a lot of people use their medium brushes and their soft brushes for night routines, because at the end of the day, you don't want to lift your hair up, so you use a soft brush and a medium brush to just lay your hair down and rag up and go to sleep. Alright, the hard brush is usually for like your main session, like in the middle of the day when you want to have an hour 30-minute session. You put in the hard brush, and then boom, yeah. So different texture brushes is really important to having the flawless waves that you're really looking for. Okay, so different texture brushes, at least 3 of them, if 4 maximum, because a lot of people like to put in the medium hard brush in there, and they put medium soft, and they put the medium brush in there. Just have the right amount of leverage. Okay, so me, I have a medium hard brush, so that's why I have 4 brushes that I have in my rotation when I'm wolfing. So that's why my brush sessions be like an hour 30 minutes. It's so long because I spend like 15 minutes on each brush when I have the time to do so. So a lot of people have soft brushes, medium hard, medium soft, then a hard brush. Most people have soft, medium, hard, and that's just 3 brushes. That's just the people that's not really thorough when they're brushing and trying to hit that right texture, so they can have the right outcome of the, you know what I'm trying to say. The more brushes you have, the longer your brush session is, because you obviously have to use all the brushes, because all the brushes does something different to your hair. I'm not gonna get into that. I'm gonna just save that for another video, telling you guys what different brushes do to your hair. So let's move on to the next. Okay, so the next one we have moisturize. You have to moisturize your hair. Number one thing that's gonna do is gonna change your hair texture. It's gonna change your hair texture. It's gonna keep your hair looking healthy. All that good stuff. You can't really have waves without moisturizing, because your hair is gonna look dry and ugly and nasty and disgusting and flaky and stuff. So moisturizing is very important. If you wanna change your hair texture, moisturizing is really good. If you wanna make your hair darker, moisturizing is really good. If you wanna keep your hair healthy, moisturizing is very important. Okay, so moisturizing plays a big part in changing your hair texture, making you look like a medium waver, but you're really a coarse hair waver. Me, I've been moisturizing for a long time, using castor oil and everything. My hair got darker, a lot darker, and my hair texture actually changed, because I look like a medium waver, but I'm really a coarse hair waver. Okay, that's because my hair's trained and I use moisturizer. I use my 216 Wavy moisturizers, and you guys can see the outcome. My hair always look laid and shiny because that's the moisturizer, okay? When you moisturize and you put it in a soft brush in the plastic bag, all of that adds shine to your hair, and when you put your silk do-rag on, that adds a lot more shine to your hair. That's why my hair always looks the way it does. Always laid, always shiny. Which brings me to the next one, which is wolfing. Wolfing plays a big part because the more hair you have, the curlier and deeper your waves will be, okay? And your hair can be deep if you don't use a hard brush. So you can't be wolfing and brushing with a medium brush the whole entire time, because you're not really pulling your hair. Your hair gets rough at that time, and that's when you're gonna need to use a hard brush. So wolfing is really important because that's how you get waves, man. The more hair, the wavier. You know, waves are just laid down curls. So you can't have waves with a 1.5, like I always say. You can, but it's gonna be super difficult to do. So wolfing plays a big part, but you do not have to wolf for 13 weeks to get waves. You know, 4 to 6 weeks is good enough. You wolf 4 to 6 weeks, cut it down to 1.5, wolf again, cut it down, wolf again. You know, keep going with the process. Wolfing helps with breaking forks, helps with connections, helps get your waves deeper, helps widen your waves, make your waves wider, helps make your waves darker too, because you know, when you're wolfing and stuff, it does a lot. So wolfing is really like the foundation. When besides brushing, it's the foundation of waving. So wolfing is really important. You have to wolf if you want your waves to be, you know, flawless and elite. Because after you wolf about, if you do about 5-6 wolf sessions, it takes about 5-6 wolf sessions for you to really become elite. Some experienced wavers, about 2-3 wolf sessions, then they're already elite, because they already got the knowledge and everything on how to get waves and stuff. But wolfing is definitely on there to get flawless waves. A lot of people, when they wolf, they can't really maintain it. Something to help with that is washing styles. When your hair is in the wet stage, it's softer and much easier to maintain. And you know, when you wash in style, have the shampoo in your hair, you know, you're washing everything, and you put the do-rag on and you rinse it out, your hair will come out super laid. You know, just like it's a great way to bounce back. Like if you're over curling, do a washing style. If that don't work, then that means it's time for you to cut your hair, because if you're over curling, you can't just bounce back with a brush session. It's gonna be difficult. What you would need to do is wash your hair and do a washing style. Wavers, we can't wash our hair like everybody else. You know, we gotta do our own thing, you know, washing styles and everything. You can't just use any type of shampoo on your hair neither. Depending on your hair texture, type of hair you have to do your research on what type of shampoo is good for your hair. It's not gonna damage and everything. So yeah, do some research on that. I might do another video on that too. What type of shampoo, different textures you have to use to wash your hair and stuff. So yeah, you can wash in style, wash and condition. Me, I like to wash and then condition after my hair dries. A lot of people like to wash and then condition after the shampoo and then rinse it out and everything. It's a lot of different ways you can wash in style, okay? Depending on your hair texture or your preferred washing style method, then that's the washing style that you're gonna do, alright? On to the next. This one's really important, vertical brushing. A lot of people sleep on vertical brushing, but vertical brushing is like the perfect brush method to get your connections into place, to break forks and everything. Alright, as y'all know, forks are not gonna be broken overnight. They're gonna take time. They're gonna take at least 2 months to break a fork, depending on how much work you put in. Alright, so vertical brushing comes in really handy when it comes to shifting your hair, when it comes to moving this fork down here, when it comes to having your waves coming from up here going straight and everything. You know, if your waves are going up and you want your waves to go straight, you got a vertical brush, and it's gonna cause some forks, of course, but that's what happens when you move your waves. And vertical brushing, people don't actually know, but you vertical brush your crown all the time. That's why your crown goes in an outward motion, because you vertical brush it out, vertical brush this part up, vertical brush that part down. And that's just how you're supposed to do it. You can't just brush your crown straight like you do with the rest of your hair, because your crown's gonna look stupid. Alright, so that's why you gotta vertical brush your crown with the tip of the brush. Same way you vertical brush your crown to pull it out. That's the same way you vertical brush your sides, your top, everything, to pull it the way you want it. So, alright, last but not least on the list, we got double compression. Double compression is what you need in order to lay your hair down the way you want it to. You feel me? You can't just when you're wolfing, you can't just walk around with a wave cap thinking that, oh, that wave cap gonna have my hair looking silky and laid. You need to put a wave cap on top of your head, put a do-rag on top of that wave cap, put another wave cap on top of that do-rag if you want the maximum lay to show in your hair. Also, I like to double compress with 2 do-rags because I feel like that it helps way more than just double compressing with a do-rag and a wave cap. Alright, so double compressing is very, very important. You guys should do it more often, double compress, but it do have its cons, pros and cons. The pros is really have your hair looking super laid and shiny, and the cons are gives you headaches, migraines, make your hair numb, make your head numb, and I don't think that's safe. So if you ever feel any of those symptoms, your hair numb, headaches, and everything, I'll suggest that you take the first layer of do-rag off. Just leave one on, and you know, if you're just double compressing and you feel like you got a headache, just take the top layer of your do-rag off or the wave cap off. You know, take a little bit of pressure off your head. Anyways, guys, yeah, that's basically it for, you know, if you want to become a flawless elite waver, you know, those are the things that you're gonna have to do. If I missed anything on this list, please drop it down in the comment section. You know, don't come crazy for me in the comments neither. Alright, I don't got time for that, man. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like that thumbnail, let me know in the comments too if you guys like that thumbnail, man. I've been working on my thumbnail skills, bro. Lightroom, I'm up every day on Lightroom trying to learn how to, you know, how to do this, how to do that, how to make my thumbnails pop out, how to add the perfect color grading and everything. You know, I'm just getting better at editing and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like the thumbnail. Hope you guys like the title. Hope you guys like the information that I've given out in this video. Hope you guys like the wave check that I had in the beginning of the video. Hope you guys love this whole video, man. Alright, if I did good with this video, if I did good with the editing and everything, please leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.